Welcome to back. The 2024 Honda Fury is a motorcycle that stands out in the world of cruisers and choppers. With its long, low-slung stance, raked-out front fork, and minimalist design, the Fury is Honda's answer to those who crave the custom chopper look without the hassle of building one from scratch. This bike is not just about aesthetics, it combines aggressive styling with Honda's legendary reliability and smooth performance. Whether it's the bold design, the powerful V-twin engine, or the comfortable ride, the 2024 Honda Fury delivers an exciting experience for riders who want to turn heads on the road. The Fury's design is its most striking feature. With a long 71-inch wheelbase and a steep 32-degree rake, the chopper-inspired frame gives it a stretched-out look that commands attention. The teardrop fuel tank flows seamlessly into the low-profile seat, creating a clean and fluid design. The frame is slim yet sturdy, accentuating the open and uncluttered look that custom choppers are known for. The 21-inch front wheel paired with a fat 200mm rear tire adds to its aggressive stance. A blacked-out engine and exhaust, combined with chrome accents, create the perfect balance between modern and classic chopper aesthetics. At the heart of the Fury lies a 1,312cc liquid-cooled, 52-degree V-twin engine. This power plant delivers a satisfying blend of torque and smooth performance, perfect for cruising at highway speeds or rolling through city streets. The engine is fuel-injected, ensuring crisp throttle response and reliable power delivery in various riding conditions. With a 5-speed transmission, riders get a refined yet raw riding experience, making gear shifts smooth while maintaining the aggressive feel of a chopper. The single-pin crankshaft adds to the engine's signature V-twin rumble, enhancing the overall riding experience. Despite its rebellious styling, the 2024 Honda Fury is built for comfort. The low 26.9-inch seat height allows for an easy reach to the ground, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. The handlebars are positioned for a relaxed riding posture, reducing strain on long rides. The rear suspension features a hidden single shock that provides a smooth ride without compromising the bike's clean hardtail look. Up front, the telescopic fork absorbs road imperfections, ensuring stability and comfort. Whether on city streets or open highways, the Fury delivers a balanced and enjoyable ride. For a chopper-style bike, braking performance is crucial, and the 2024 Honda Fury doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a single front disc brake and a rear disc brake, providing reliable stopping power. For added confidence, Honda offers an optional anti-lock braking system, ABS, which enhances control in emergency braking situations. The Fury's lightweight chassis, combined with responsive brakes, ensures that riders have full control even when cruising at higher speeds. While the Fury embraces the classic chopper look, it doesn't compromise on modern technology. The digital ignition system ensures efficient fuel combustion for better mileage and performance. The bike's fuel injection system adapts to various riding conditions, optimizing efficiency and throttle response. A minimalistic speedometer keeps the dashboard clutter-free, allowing riders to focus on the road ahead. The LED taillight adds a modern touch, ensuring visibility and style. One of the best aspects of the Honda Fury is its potential for customization. Honda offers a range of accessories, including custom seats, backrests, and upgraded exhaust systems. Riders who love to personalize their bikes will appreciate the endless possibilities to make the Fury their own. Whether it's upgrading the exhaust for a deeper growl, adding new handlebars for a different riding stance, or installing unique paint jobs, the Fury serves as an excellent base for personal expression. For a chopper-style cruiser, the 2024 Honda Fury is surprisingly efficient. The fuel-injected V-twin engine provides a respectable fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for long-distance cruising. The 3.4-gallon fuel tank ensures a decent range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. Unlike traditional custom choppers, which can be high maintenance, the Fury offers a hassle-free experience with Honda's renowned durability and low-maintenance engineering. The 2024 Honda Fury is the perfect blend of custom chopper aesthetics and Honda's engineering excellence. It offers a bold and aggressive design, a powerful V-twin engine, and a comfortable ride, all in a package that is reliable and easy to maintain. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a stylish cruiser or someone who wants to stand out without the drawbacks of a custom-built chopper, the Fury delivers on all fronts. It's a bike that turns heads, commands respect, and provides an exhilarating ride every time you hit the road.